Hi, this is a review of car reversing camera. I have them in two colors. These are universal type cameras. This one is in silver gray, metallic silver gray color, and also exactly the same camera but in black color. So these are the cameras. Here you can see the protective film. These are my favorite cameras. Very strong built aluminium body or casing. Very easy to fit. Nice design. Nice curvy design. So it will look very nice when installed. Installation is you just need to drill hole the size, and for example it depends what kind of car you have. Mostly I've been installing them into the rear boot, under the rear boot opening, so as you can see it's gonna look like this. The angle is set especially to give a nice view, the proper view. The angle of the lens is 170 degrees. So what you will get, you get the camera. Also you'll get nut and double tape, so you will be able to seal this this part. Also you will get the power lead, video and power connector, the power lead extension to connect with the reversing lights, and the special video cable with the power connectors. This is a special cable you need with the power connectors, power cables, in order to connect with your car head unit power, so your head unit will switch on automatically after you engage the reversing gear. Those cameras has Sony CCD sensor for 80 TV lines, very high quality picture at daytime or at nighttime, with the parking guidelines and with the blinking stop line. So what else? And of course you will get the manual instruction in how to install and all specs here. That's it. Thank you for watching.